do you have plans to put it on a dyno?
I don't think it makes a difference, does it?
Yeah, I've never even thought about it.
Doesn't translate. I don't think that translates.
Never even thought about putting it on a dyno.
So
I don't know yet.
You don't know what horsepower these output at full. I don't know how electrics work that way.
Yeah.
Follow-up question, what's a dyno?
What's a dyno? Somebody asked that?
I am, because I don't know what that is.
Oh. A dyno it's a machine that you put a car on to test. It'll test horsepower, torque ratings. Yeah. And you can tune it, fine tune everything on the dyno, and depending on what kind of system you got.
Were you there? We put that Hemi. I had a Hemi in a pickup truck and put it on the dyno.
No, I wasn't there, but I know the truck that you're talking about.
That was funny. And the guy running it on the dyno, the whole room shook, even when it shut inside that room, because Hemis are big blocks and they have this rumble to them. And the guy kept moving his posture around. And someone said, well, are you uncomfortable? He says, no, but when Hemis are right, your ball sack vibrates exactly right. And the whole room went, what? He moved it, he said, yeah. But he said it as though it was a medical thing. He said, yeah, well, I know when a Hemi's running right, if I stand right, I can feel it in my crotch. And the whole room just kept staring at this creepy guy. Said, but of course, we're all going,
okay.
Really weird. That was a dyno. My first experience with a dyno was kind of a combination of a porn thing. It was weird.
I mean, it is kind of true because I feel it when I'm shaking down a car. I can feel it in my ass. I've never.
Here we go.
Never thought about my.
I don't know why I brought it up.
My balls.
Ass burning, my balls. I don't know. I've never heard it either. Everybody left that room going, I've never heard that in my life, but it makes sense because it has this kind of weird vibration, but I've never really heard that.
So I'll just let that cool for a sec. Shouldn't take long. Aluminum's a weird material to weld. It's like you need to. The heat kind of dissipates over larger areas, you know what I mean? But aluminum needs to be hot. So sometimes it's even good to take a torch and warm it up and get all the molecules warm, and it welds a lot easier. It's very weird.
The major benefit to aluminum is just its weight, correct?
Yeah.
How much strength? I can't figure out how to say this.
Steel's going to be able to carry a lot more strength. It's going to have a lot more tensile strength.
But how much strength are you losing by using aluminum?
Quite a bit.
Yeah.
I mean, it's all on how you do it and you engineer it too. And what it's holding and how it's holding the weight. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'll probably put some type of spacer between each of them. Like a rubber spacer, 1/4 inch or whatever, so that if one of these did break, at least it doesn't fall on the other one. So, but once I'm done with this, it'll be fine. I'll have to drill and tap
Into the end?
into the end, yeah, because then your bolt goes through.
That's a tiny,
Yeah, so your bolt goes through here and holds it.
very little room for error.
So I gotta drill, tap this, okay? Then I have to drill this, and I have to taper it.
Wow, okay.
So it's got a really nice flush, Allen to it. Yeah, hold that right there. Might work. We'll hold these again.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yep. Oh God. No, I'm just kidding.
Fucker. Oh, it might work. Let's see here. Yeah, you know, I wish I could have gone thicker with this, like 3/8, so I had more of an area to drill and tap, but I just don't have much room in there. It's gonna be tight.
Yeah. Are you concerned at all about them not, these braces in addition to the boxes not being strong enough to hold the weight of the batteries?
No.
Do you
No,
feel
everything in the
obligated to
car
say
is-
that 'cause you're on camera?
No. Everything in the car is great. It'll hold everything.
Very cool. Yeah, these clearances that you're working with are very, very small. Little room for error.
Very tight. Go ahead. I know you want to say something.
I'm really trying hard not to.
That's the bell housing for the transmission and motors. Yeah. Oh no! It's wet. She's gluing it together right now.
You gotta be careful with me.
You really do. You're like a bull in a china shop. She just comes rushing in. It's crazy.
I'm a kid.
So yeah, and this will be your coupler
Can I
that
touch that?
couples the transmission. Yeah. To the
Very
motors.
cool.
Yeah, the 3D printer's printing another section of this right there. So then we'll have an actual 3D image of this whole piece. I can bolt it in there, see if it fits, you know, roughly, and then we can have it CNC'd. Because I don't want to have it CNC'd and pay, you know, thousands of dollars to have this piece made, and then we try it out and it doesn't fit.
Did I mess up the placement?
I
of
don't
that?
think you did. You might have. I'll tell him to check it.
Sorry. I'm a tactile person. What
I
can
know
say?
you are. I know you are. I know. Hey, there you go again. You can never be president. You will not be a female. I'm going to say she is. She harassed me.
That's really cool, though.
She touched your thing.
Yeah,
I mean,
sorry.
your piece.
I didn't know I wasn't supposed to. No one warned me. You've already answered this, but what are you most excited for in these next couple of steps coming up in the build?
I want to see, generally, look, what I love is when the people around me, they're doing the build, are not quite sure that what I'm doing is correct. And I've been pretty good about this in other builds. They go, I never really thought that was going to work. And I hope that this detailing on all of the chrome surfaces comes out like I think it's going to come out. If we find the right artist to do it, and we match, I think it's a woman, she's going to be doing the vision if she and I see the same thing, and there's going to be a bit of beautiful old Victorian look to this, when the detail is going to be typical of my builds. They sit next to another car and it gets all the attention, but you get close to stuff I build and you go, wow, look, I never noticed that. And I like that this should be loaded with little details. But back to me, I want to be all about driver comfort. I want this thing to get in, start, stop brilliantly. Everything that Tesla does, but it'll have some weight to it, and you'll smell wool and woods, and it won't be so IKEA-like. No offense to IKEA, because God knows I love the Swedes, Danes. What is it Swedish?
Yeah. That in there. Meatballs. IKEA meatballs.
Yeah? Oh, that's right. Swedish meatballs, you're right.